Presenting a pre-owned 2021 GMC Yukon. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable A transmission. This GMC has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat, anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and moonroof.